You gotta act broke so you don't go broke.
Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide. Today I will be shampooing my carpets in my bedroom. Check this out. First, you want to get rid of everything that's on the floor. Eli! This mess you have on the floor, bro.
What mess? On the floor. It's on the floor.
Now that the floor is clear of toys and whatnot, you want to vacuum. Look kids, this is how you vacuum.
Ah! This is scary!
Meanwhile, you still have to make dinner because you're a woman and a mom and you have to do everything. We're back! So, you want to use whatever you're going to use for your carpet cleaning and water. I know there's like pet stains, so that might be a good one.
Poo-poo safe.
So this is the machine we're using, a Hoover. This side says solution and the side says water. This comes out like that. You press that thing. I haven't even plugged this thing in yet. So anyway, we're gonna grab this and go to the sink. El Cinco. This is the side that says solution, so we're gonna open that up. This side actually fills up pretty quickly because you're supposed to use more water.
Mom.
It fills up like up to that line right there.
Mom.
Oh man, I was supposed to do the water first.
What water?
I need to go to a bathtub to fill this. So now we're gonna open up the other side and fill that up with hot water. Cover it up. Now we put this thing back on here like so
Why is it
until it clicks. Now we need to plug that in. I'm a little nervous because I don't remember how I did this the last time. So there's a foot release at the bottom. Ah! That's not what I thought. Oh.
You scared me.
Don't mind Eli's mess. When you turn the vacuum on from the bottom, pull this trigger, hold it down the entire time that you're pushing forward. That'll wet the whole carpet as you're going this way. Then you're gonna release this trigger and then move back slowly. So let's try it. Turning on, pressing the trigger. Getting wet. Let go. You can see it working. You want to overlap a little bit, like half an inch maybe. So now you want to turn the thing on and then trigger up here.
But wait, I want to go.
So you're holding the trigger the entire time you're going forward. You want to do everything slowly, super slow. We're done. Looks good, and it was fast.